the final piece of the puzzle. At Rally Catalunya, Skoda Motorsport had one big goal. After Kalle Rovanperä and Joni Holtonen became WRC2 Pro World Champions in Wales, it was time to conquer the Manufacturers' Championship. But it didn't look very good on the gravel stages on the first day. Both Jan Kopecky and Kalle Rovanperä had trouble keeping up, and by the end of the day, Mats Osberg was almost a minute ahead in the WRC2 Pro category.
The gravel is still not my favorite surface. Friday morning we were a little bit struggling with the rhythm of the reading, and also I was not driving well.
At night, mechanics worked hard to prepare both cars for the following tarmac stages and to find the best setup. And then a whole different story the next day. Kalle and Joni won several stages, as well as Jan and his new co-driver Jan Hlošek.
And on the tarmac stages we were feeling like home.
We was much faster on tarmac, which is not so usual for us.
By the end of the day, Kalle was just 9.8 seconds behind Osberg, with Jan right behind him. But then, the unexpected happened, and Kalle damaged the car during the evening's super special stage.
We made a spin, so I broke the suspension. We lost the fight for the win, that's rally sometimes.
Kopecky moved to second position and Kalle to third, with very little chance to catch up to Osberg. Not the best result, but still enough to secure the Manufacturers' Championship title, as the main competitor Gus Greensmith on Ford was even further behind. On Sunday, both Jan and Kalle made sure that the dream would come true. Throughout the entire year, the incredible effort of team mechanics, engineers, and crews were directed to this very moment. And the improved Skoda Fabia R5 Evo had a big role in it. Congratulations to Skoda Motorsport, the team of champions. It was a fantastic send-off to this amazing 2019 season, and a great show for all Skoda fans.
When you are not fighting for the win, I think you can just have fun and small show for the fans. It has been difficult but nice season, and also it's nice to have now the team title for the team also.
Thank you, Skoda fans, for supporting us all the way to the finish line. See you next year.